Everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're doing episode 3 of our letter, keyword, sound minute drill practice. Okay, so you see all my vowels are set out. That's because we're not doing the vowels. We're going to be doing consonants. Consonants are yellow, vowels are pink. Good. You should know that little chant from Mr. Schroeder's videos. And if you haven't checked those out, you need to do so. Are you guys ready to get going? All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. L lamp ol. X fox x. Y yellow y. Z zebra z. C cat k. J jug j. All right, you're supposed to be echoing me. Q U queen qua. D dog d. F fun. G game g. M man m. R rat r. K kite k. Who put my card over? V van v. All right, just like that, we are out of time. So until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like these videos, check out some of the other videos that I have. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.